class, chapter number 112, verse number 1 to 4, which says, Kul huwallahu ahad. Say He is God, one and only. He is Allah, one and only. Allahu samad. Allah, the absolute and eternal. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He begets not, nor is he begotten. Wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. There is nothing like Him. So the definition of Almighty God, who we call in Arabic as Allah, is He is one and only. He is absolute and eternal. He begets not, nor is begotten, and there is nothing like Him in this world. So anyone, any human being claiming so and so thing is God, if that entity falls in this four-line definition, we Muslims, or I, have got no objection in accepting that entity as Almighty God. In English language I am saying, say He is God. But in Islam, Allah has got no gender. Because the language is limited. Therefore it's a Kul huwallahu ahad. Say He's Allah. But if you ask me in the concept, there's nothing like Him means Almighty God has got no gender. He's neither female, neither male. But because of lack of the knowledge, when I'm translating Allah as God, which is not the right translation, but that's what we understand English, so God is He. If I say Goddess, I have to say she. I say that God is not the correct translation of Allah. Because God is an English word which can be manipulated. If I add S to God, it becomes gods. Allah is the Arabic word which is unique. There's nothing like gods. Allah is only one, Kul huwallahu ahad. If you add D-E-S-S to God, it becomes goddess, meaning female God. In Islam, Allah is neither male, neither female. There's no male Allah, no female Allah. Allah is unique. If I add the word father to God, it becomes Godfather, He's my Godfather, He's my guardian. There's nothing like Allah Father in Islam. If I add mother to God, it becomes Godmother. There's nothing like Allah Mother in Islam. Therefore, God is a word which is not the correct translation of the Arabic word Allah, but because of limitation of the language, I'm using this word because you and I understand it.
Right.
But God is not the correct translation. The right word is Arabic word Allah, which to define, these four lines are there.
It's fascinating. So if God is infinite, He had no creation and no creator, but was there a time?
He has no creation, sorry. He was not created, but He has created. So He's the creator.
He Himself, or God, Allah, had no creation.
Has no creator.
He has existed infinitely.
That's right.
But there was a time before we were created, and there must have been a time before self-awareness even for God existed. Have you ever considered that concept, what Allah was like before we were created, before there was even the Big Bang, before everything? What was the state of God or Allah then?
See, Allah existed since time immemorial. When we were created, before that He existed, before the universe. Now what is the state of God? Before that, it is the same definition. What self-awareness He got, our logic doesn't reach that level. How does He look? We don't know. But after dying, there are hadith which say we would crave to see the face of Allah. But now if you ask me, there's nothing compared. The moment I tell you, God is like this, then He's not Allah. In other religions, we can say He's like this. In Islam, the moment I tell you, for example, someone says that Almighty God is 1,000 times stronger than Arnold Schwarzenegger. Arnold Schwarzenegger, most powerful person, Mr. Universe. The moment I compare him to anyone, whether it be Arnold Schwarzenegger, whether it be Dara Singh King Kong, whether it be 1,000 times or 1,000,000 times, he cannot be God. The question you ask me, what was He, I cannot describe.
So it's sort of beyond our comprehension.
It's beyond our human comprehension.
Oh, people of the world. Say indeed my prayer.